Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share some valuable advice that I wish I could go back and tell my younger self, especially during the early days of my trading career. If there's one thing I've learned, it's the importance of patience and understanding the rhythm of the market. I used to be in such a hurry to make significant gains that I made the mistake of quitting my job not once, but 3 times during winning streaks that seemed promising. Alert, none of those attempts worked out as planned. So, if you're just starting out or feeling the pressure to rush into decisions, trust me, I've been there. In this video, let's explore why it's crucial to relax, wait for the right opportunities, and understand that your time will come. Stay tuned for some insights that might just save you from making the same mistakes I did. Let's get into it. I have set up a completely free Telegram group, where I share experiences and support those who are just starting out or have no experience. You can copy your trades manually or automatically by connecting to your account, and this is free for everyone. To work with me and the team, and to get answers to all your questions, write to me on Telegram. If you want to join my team, I'll give you all the information right away, and the link is just in the video description. I only participate in active transactions, so initial capital is not important. You can start with $5, $10, or $100, it doesn't matter. The important thing is that I do not sell any products and do not collect money from subscribers. It's all just sincere help. I'm waiting for your message, but please hurry because space is limited. Thank you and everyone who followed. In this video, I will attempt to explain this method in as much detail as possible to make it easier to understand, especially for those who are new to trading. First, we need to set up a 1-minute candlestick chart. Then we will place a moving average with a period of 10 and set up a double MA, making the line slightly thicker. I set the second moving average, green color, with a period of 20 and saved it. And next will be one of my favorite indicators, that's the MACD indicator. So, I believe it will work smoothly, perfectly. And once again, that's my expectation for this trade. That's my expectation for all the profits I will gain. Surely, I will achieve profits. But how? That is the question. Turn off the indicator and set the trading time. Let's see. You can see that all these lines are coming together. And we will conclude this process with currency pairs, with the highest profit rates. Don't forget that important point. And we will start. I will open a buy position at this point with an initial $70. A quite nice position. As you can see, the market is trending downwards. In terms of the method, first, we need to look at the green line of the moving average, which will move in a specific direction, and at this moment, it is moving downwards. Since the candles have started an upward trend, naturally, this is considered a bullish situation and a bullish signal. Because with this method, I always observe and prioritize the fact that one of the decisive factors for high profits is when the red and green lines of the moving averages intersect. Also, at the intersection point of the moving averages, it is a strong predictive signal. Great! We have our first win with a profit of $135. Let's look for a new market. I will convert the $135 profit and open a position here. Let's pay attention to the candle positions, they are gradually shrinking, and red candles are appearing. Other signals are not very clear, so I don't think the market will go up at this time. There is some risk, let's wait and see the outcome. Alright. We have had a quite favorable start with 2 successful initial trades. The small green candles are still consistent. Overall, all indicators indicate a downward trend. Next, I decide to open a new position with a capital of $260. That's great! We have a profit of $502. As you can see, the market is declining, and the two moving averages are crossing, but they are approaching the overbought zone. Usually, the market will experience a rebound and adjust the moving average direction in such situations. The moving averages always determine a specific direction when they cross each other, and this crossing is considered a strong signal predicting an upward trend in the market. We're using only short time period, just 1 minute, and we're investing how a whole deposit in nature trades. This will help us to save our time and to enlarge our deficit as fast as possible. Yes, once again, this strategy doesn't disappoint. I'll convert the investment into $969 and look for a new market. We have a downward movement at this point. That's why I have an open position here, hoping that the price will continue to decrease and potentially go even lower towards the oversold region. As you can see, this method is straightforward when used correctly. Let's wait and see the results together. Oh, it seems like everything is going smoothly. Taking into consideration the market trend, the price is forming a double bottom pattern, with the second bottom lower than the first one, appearing in a downtrend. When this signal occurs, there's a high probability that the price will transition from a downtrend to an uptrend. Wait a moment, I will open 2 new positions here, and I believe we will continue to win in this trade. The results are still as we predicted. With a profit of $1,890, I will continue to convert it into investment and open 2 more new positions. Let's wait for a while to make some profits from this trade. By the way, for those of you watching, don't forget to check the description below. You will find an interesting link where you can access my daily analysis, trading signals, and much more. Great! With the profits we've gained, we can convert the investment into $1,400. This is not the most suitable time for me to open new positions. Let's wait a little longer. Great! With the profits we've gained, we can convert the investment into $1,400. This is not the most suitable time for me to open new positions. Let's wait a little longer. So, we have achieved a profit of $7,468. This method stands out from others because of its simplicity. I will continue to share today's strategy to help you achieve your goals in the upcoming videos. If you have any questions, please comment below, and I will try to address all your queries. Thank you for your time. Wishing you a great day ahead.